What's up YouTube? A little bit of love for the S2K today. So the problem I'm having is when I drive the car hard and hit VTEC, this guy pops out, and I noticed, so there are two rings on there. The bottom ring just like not even doing anything. The top ring kind of grabs a little bit, but it just pops out. I don't think there's a part number for the rings themselves. I think you have to buy the whole new dipstick, which I didn't want to do. So I went on Amazon and I got this XL nitrile rubber 6mm gasket, and there are 12 of them in here. So they are 10mm outer diameter, 6mm inner diameter, and they're 2mm thick. So it's a 10 by 6 by 2 is how they're classified. So I'm going to replace them and then see if that kind of fixes the issue. If not, then you know, it's blow-by issues, so I'm gonna disconnect this guy, but that will be the next step after I test if this holds. Disconnect this guy, clean out the PCV system here. So I don't know if you're able to see, but like both of these are basically like flattened. I don't know if you can see the profile, but anyway, so to take them off, I take needle nose pliers, just pinch and pull. If they break, I don't really care, I'm not reusing them. New one versus old ones, and just roll it on by hand all the way up here. The first one pops in first. Looks like it's a little loose on there, but that's not the problem. Hopefully this one goes over the first one. Just pinch it over. There we go. Okay. So some people say that the trick is also to like wipe off the oil around here, just so that these things don't slide out as easily. I don't know if that's true or not. See how this goes. Drive it in a little bit. Yeah, definitely a lot more pressure to push the dipstick in. So we'll see if it pops out. If not, then this might be a good solution. I don't know how long they last, but like I said, they come in a 12 pack of these guys. Okay, so I drove the car around, hit VTEC a couple times. The dipstick is staying put, so that's great. I still might remove this hose, undo this. I think this is a deep socket 17, and just clean out the PCV system, because I recently did the throttle body cleaning and that was a little bit gunked up. So thumbs up.